Hi everyone, welcome to another plant episode here in my small space indoor garden. It's Primrose here, and today I wanted to share with you my new plants. So I have this for over a week now, and this is a variety of fern. It is called a Splenium nidus, and I love the characteristics of the leaves, the curly twisty pattern. Look at that. And it's looking very lush and shiny. And if you look closer down there in the center, it's putting out a new leaf down there. So I really hope that this plant will do well for me, because I absolutely love the pattern on the leaves. And let's move on to a spider plant here. And if you have seen my spider plant video, you know that I already have a lot of spider plants in my collection. Let's take a look at this one here. So this is the one I have in my collection, and it's not looking very pretty at the moment because it's a new plant from my father-in-law, and I have a very large plant of this variety, and it's currently living in my on top of my cabinet because the leaves are very long, and so I prefer to have it up there as a hanging plant. And if you can see the difference, so this one, the variegation, the white or cream color is right in the middle, but this one, it's the green color that is in the middle. And this is a young plant, but look how long the leaves are. So I don't mind having another spider plant in my collection. And I love the fact that the leaves does not get very long, so I could just place it down here and not as a hanging plant. So thank you for watching, and that's all for now, and I hope you are having a nice day, and I wish you all a very good weekend. Take care. Bye.